Hey guys, Joey of the JJ Builders here today, and today I'm going to be unboxing my favorite LEGO UCS sets, the LEGO Ultimate Collector Series Venator. It is massive, so let's get this thing on the table so we can unbox it and see what's inside this extremely large box. Alright, so we have the front of the box that shows the picture of the LEGO UCS Venator. So we have the main part of the ship itself, or the bridges, all the controls, and in the little hangar there we have a Micro Republic gunship. That's what that is there. This is set number 75367 with a whopping 5,374 pieces. The ship itself has lots of lots of detail. We have the main part of it itself where the bridges, the controls are. Then we have probably one of my favorite parts is in the hangar, the micro scale Republic gunship. And on the top of the box here, we have a 1:1 scale of the Admiral Yularen, who's one of the characters of the LEGO set. One of the two characters. So if we go to the back of this beast, it shows everything about it. Here we have the measurements of the ship itself. It is 109 centimeters long, aka 43 inches, and its height is 32 centimeters with 12.5 inches. We have some pictures down here from the movies, and I think that one's from the TV show. No, that's the movie. But all from the movies of the LEGO UCS Venator here. And we have our stand here. It shows the LEGO Star Wars Venator with information about it, the two characters, and the 20-year anniversary with the clone helmet on it. I personally, my favorite character is Captain Rex, because we haven't made them, or they haven't made them in a while, so I'm glad to have them. Okay, so now it's time to open the box and see what is inside the LEGO box. So, grab a knife. Be careful when you're using a knife. Let's open this. Okay. And there's another. But so there's, I believe. Grab this. Oh, we have box one, and there's another one in there. Let's grab that one out. So let's align these boxes together. Alright, so we just opened the box and we have box one and box two. There are only two boxes. So now let's open box one and get box two out of here. Alright, so now it is time to open box number one and get these bags out. Just two tapes. Alright, there you go. Now let's open this up. Alright, so after sorting through box number one, we have a ton load of bags within just the box number one. We have 23 bags with 2 bags of these parts. These bags are numbered 1 through 23. And these look like the engines. So we're obviously building the back of the ship because there's engines here. And we have the sticker element sheet. And these engines here, there are some printed numbers on the engine here. We have the printed part where the description basically, the sticker element sheet, and we have 2 massive construction books. This is going to take a very long time to build, but the JJ builders can do it, so let's build.
Hello everybody, so we are done box 1 of the UCS Lego Venator. So I just want to give you a quick review of it and give you an idea of how these things are put together. So as many of you know who have built models like this, and for those of you who have not, you can see the main section is all Technic. You can see the various Technic pieces with the pins and the connectors. Now this gives it a lot of structural support. Now one thing I do like about this set, which the Millennium Falcon and other UCSS I have not seen this on, is the stand. This stand is actually part of the ship. So here's one part of the stand. As you can see, it connects right to the main structure of the Venator, which I think is a really good idea. And as you can see, here's the other stand connecting right in there. Now for the bottom of the Venator, as you can see, these plates here, they are connected right in there with the red clips there. So they're really well done. As far as the build goes, this is a really nice build, not too bad. A few of the steps they do tell you to open 2 bags at once, but it's not overwhelming like the Eiffel Tower was. Really clean build, really nice, really straightforward. Another cool feature is the spires, or the bridges, I guess they are. This section here is these bottom pieces connect right to it, holding everything in place nice and tight. I like the use of the tile, the translucent pieces to represent all the windows. It's looking like a really sleek look, nice look. Again, it's not too heavy, as you can do a one-arm pickup of it, so it's not too bad. It is a relatively large set. As you can see, it takes up practically the whole table there. So this is the end of part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. Like, subscribe, drop a comment, share, and we'll see you soon.